Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber.
Today we'll explain how to display audio waveforms.
Let's begin. Let's start.
It is important to check the audio waveform when editing audio. Let's take a look at how to display audio waveforms. Switch the video clip display to an audio waveform on the source monitor. Click on Drag Audio Only here to view the audio waveform. Click this button. Select Audio Waveform to display the audio waveform. If you select Show Audio Time Units from the Settings menu, you will be able to see more detailed waveforms. The timecode display is now shown in frame unit to become more detailed. You can zoom in and out by dragging the edge of the horizontal zoom bar. Let's try zooming in the horizontal side. In the same way, let's zoom in the vertical direction. You can zoom in and out of the vertical sides of the channel by dragging this white line. You can change the amplitude width display by dragging the end of the vertical zoom bar. Note that the actual amplitude width will not change. This concludes the explanation for displaying audio waveforms.
How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.